Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by securing the Jeep and removing electrical load. Disconnect the battery negative terminal so airbags and power functions are safe. Next, lower the window halfway to relieve glass pressure, then unbolt the side mirror or unplug wiring harness. This prevents damage during door removal. Use a strap to support the door at hinge height as you loosen the 10 mm hinge bolts. Once the bottom bolts turn, lift slightly to free the hinge pin. Once the door is supported, remove the upper hinge bolts slowly. This keeps the weight controlled, and then the lowers, if you're working alone, use a jack or strap to hold the door. Make sure to disconnect all wiring harnesses, press clips, slide grommets through, and label each connector so reinstallation is quick and correct. After everything is free, lift the door straight off the hinges. Avoid rotating it because torque can bend hinge brackets or scratch the rocker. After removal, place doors on a padded rack or blanket to protect paint. Before reinstalling, inspect hinge bolts and bushings for wear and replace if needed. When you reinstall, snug bolts then torque to spec, and check latch alignment by closing slowly. Make adjustments with shims or hinge shifts to obtain a flush fit. If the door sags or won't latch, recheck bolt torque, striker height, and wiring connectors, because misalignment or loose hardware causes most closing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.